Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope so you all are fine. Okay, today we are going to start our continued chapter, that is unit number 4, living things and their environment. You have already idea about these living things and their environment. Topic is characteristics of animals and plants which enable them to survive in environment. An animal environment consists of many different things. First, the climate in which the animal live, plants that grow in surrounding for animals feed, and other animals that may act as prey and predators. Something interesting tidbit. What are predators and what is prey? Predators are those animals which eat other animals. And what is prey? Prey is eaten by predators. Okay, predators. Adaptation of some predators that make animals successful predators. Number 1, built for speed, sharp teeth and claws, camouflage to avoid being seen by prey. Number 4 is eyes to the front of the head to judge size and distance well. What is the meaning of camouflage? Camouflage means hiding the original appearance from predators. What is prey and what are the adaptations of prey? Number 1 is living in groups. Number 2, built for speed. Number 3, defenses such as poison or stings. These defenses help them to protect themselves from their predators. Camouflage to avoid being seen by predators. Eyes to the side of the head to get a wide field of view. That is called monocular vision. Now, what is the meaning of monocular vision? Monocular vision is the vision in which both eyes are used separately. By using the eyes, in this way, the view of area is increased. Both predators and prey can improve their chances of success through their breeding strategies. Breeding meaning increase in number. Adaptation in particular environment. Animals and plants are adapted to their particular environment. Particular means specific environment in which they live. They have some characteristics that allow them to survive their particular environment. This makes them able to compare for limited resources. Next is survival in cold environment. The most common example of survival in cold environment is polar bears. Polar bears are well adapted for survival in the Arctic region. Arctic region is a polar region located at the northernmost part of the earth, in which snow is present. Their adaptation include a white appearance as camouflage from prey on the snow and ice. Polar bear is white in color, which is same like snow and ice, which help them to hide themselves. Thick layers of fat and fur for insulation against the cold. Insulation means these thick layers help them to maintain temperature of inside the body from outside environment. A small surface area to volume ratio to minimize heat loss. Larger the surface area, larger will be the heat loss. That's why small surface area helps them to minimize heat loss. A greasy coat. Greasy coat means oily coat that sheds water after swimming. Large furry feet. They have a large amount of fur on their feet to distribute their load and increase grip on the ice. Survival in desert environment. That is the example of for plants. Desert plants are well adapted for survival in the desert. For example, cactus survive because cactus have some particular characteristics that enable them to survive in desert. That are stems that can store water, widespread root systems that can collect water from a large area. Does it have lack of water? That's why cactus plants have a stem that can store water for their survivals. This is the picture of cactus plant. You can see Okay, thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.